Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Hi Hubert. I know today you're very happy, alright? Okay, and Flora, Roger, Carol. Wow, I know all of you are very happy out there. Okay. Alright, so yes, chaotic IG. Okay, yeah, correct. Alright, so thank you so much. Hi Joey, hi 王志宇, Trinet, Fab, 你们好. Alright, so yeah, okay, nice to see all of you here again. Right, then yes, let's quickly go into our analysis today. With a little bit of updates. Yeah, yesterday FOMC with the rates have already released. So nothing special, nothing astonishing about the Fed rate, right? So we know that it's going to increase. But to the little surprise that it only increased by just this bit. Okay, so I guess probably it's because of the war. Okay, so now it's the main focus. Okay, whatever. All right, so now today let's go into this. Let's go into our analysis here. Huh? All right. Okay. So yes. Oh, Bradley. Wow, good. Okay, good to hear that you got your TP. All right. I hope the rest also got your TP. Okay, do let me know so that I will take it as a feedback, and I hope this session actually helped many of you out there. Okay, all right. Okay, so over here, Aussie CAD. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie CAD now. All right. So in Aussie CAD, we are now heading into the bear. Okay, looks like it's heading to the bear. All right, so by taking a look at this point here, yes, okay, we are heading into the bear market. All right, that's good. All right, okay, so in this bear market here, okay, so we are now having a retracement. So this retracement is actually looking like it's looking more to like a higher higher support over here. Okay, it looks like okay, but the thing is that over here, since the point here has already started to sell, it has actually become a bear. So for this one, I will be looking for tomorrow that I will have another resistance to sell down to create a lower resistance. Okay, and that lower resistance, of course, is going to give a very big shot. So today, will it be able to create? Today is the creation of tomorrow lower resistance. Okay, so today, let's stay away first. Okay, let's stay away first because today is the creation day. Now something new, right? Okay. Okay, so over here, so what we are going to do is that, okay, we have to identify the chart. Like example, I know that there's one, we are into the bear, so there's a retracement yesterday and today. So will it start to sell today? It don't look like. Okay, and most likely it may start to sell tomorrow. It will start to sell tomorrow. All right. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. I have to make the one thing clear about this on my PC. Okay, we have just upgraded all to 11, Windows 11, and so probably my mouse, I'm not sure because my mouse cursor may not be what you are looking at. So try to look at my crosshair, the white color crosshair. Okay, this is much more accurate. Okay, all right, my apologies for that. Okay, so let's carry on. Over here, yesterday is a retracement until now. Okay, so it has a great retracement. So if we want it to sell, we need to see another lower resistance created over here, right, in this area. Okay, this area. So in this part here, today, it may be a retracement and a creation for tomorrow. Okay, it may be a creation for tomorrow. Do we have a chance to sell? Very likely, okay. But then again, is that I would not take into a consideration for selling today, because today is a creation for tomorrow to sell. Okay, if there's a resistance. Okay, so I shall wait for I shall wait for tomorrow. Okay, so in such situation when we are trading, okay, we need to understand the chart. When is the bear? When is the retracement? There's a transition day whereby the creation of the selling. So today may be the creation. So I'm going to skip today in case I fall into any trap. All right. Okay, so let's move into Aussie franc. Aussie franc. Aussie franc, I think it's quite straightforward. Yeah, we are still moving towards the bull. It breaks through yesterday. It breaks through the resistance over here, and then it will continue to go up furthermore. Okay, I would say that there is one resistance up here on the left side. Okay, on the left side of my chart here, if you can see. Okay, that's right. Okay. Okay, so this one is the resistance level. So we still have for buyers who want to buy, it's still good to buy. We still have a lot of pips to go. All right. Okay, so sellers, please stay away. All right. Okay, so now let's move into Aussie yen. Aussie yen, yes. Yesterday, we are looking at the transition area, hoping that it breaks through the transition area, then we can have a chance to sell. Am I right? However, it did not break through, and in fact, it actually set up a buying stage. And now the staging of buying is continue the bull. So the bull is still running at a very bullish. Okay, so this is very strong. All right. Okay, so Aussie yen. Okay, so buyers can continue to buy, but seller please stay away. Okay, let's move again. Aussie Kiwi. Yes, Aussie Kiwi. Today, let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. This is the transition over here, correct? The transition of the blue box here. All right, this is the transition here. So over here, now, yesterday it hits on the support, okay, then started to retrace until now, hitting back to the transition, but it's not into the transition yet. Okay, so let's look at H4. Okay, now we are turning down, and this is kind of a good resistance over here. All right, so let me plot this resistance properly. Okay, over here. All right, as you can see, there's a support, tested, break. So the support become a resistance. So Aussie yen, Aussie Kiwi. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. We have a resistance level up here at the price of 1.06925. Okay, so this is the resistance level that I'm looking at, whereby it will not break this level and it may continue the selling. Okay, it may continue. Okay, I'm so sorry. Continue the selling, huh? All right. So probably, okay, I will just wait for a lower resistance that tested the resistance. Okay, then I will start the selling. However, okay, this is also the retracement. Remember, this is the retracement trading, huh? Okay, so over here, when it's a retracement trading, try to scalp for 5. Try to scalp for 5 because you do not know where it will go end of the day. All right. Okay, but however, Aussie Kiwi looks good, but I'm not going to put this into my list because it's a retracement trading. All right. Okay, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, very clear. We have into the bull zone and now climbing up into the higher support, continue the bullish run. So no way for selling. All right, no way for selling. Okay. All right. So yep. Okay, so let's move on to Euro Aussie. Okay, congratulations, CK. Well, yesterday GBPAUD, huh? Yeah, that's good. And Wang Zhiyu, TPEN and GA, huh? Oh, 15 pips. Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay. All right. So Euro Aussie. Next Euro Aussie is good again. Today, the whole selling now going up into the transition, but it's not breaking through. Okay, so the transition ended, now coming into the the retracement ended and coming into the transition. Okay, so will there be a chance to sell? Yes, I will say definitely. Okay, so using H4, let's take a look over here. There's a support resistance being no testing, so support is here. Okay, wow, good space, huh? This is really a good space. How about resistance? The resistance is here. Okay, one resistance here. No testing, tested once and it drops. Okay, over here, this area. Okay, no, This is not correct. Okay, so over here, the resistance is here. So we are in the mid here. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this point in H1, right? In H1, so tentatively by looking at this, we have a support. Okay, this side here on the left side. Okay, so moving over, all right, moving over. Now it has tested once, tested twice, it has become a support that has become a resistance level. Okay, over here. All right, so it's around this area here. Okay, so now, right now, by looking at this, so H4 over here from this range to this range, we have a very strong resistance over here, huh? Okay, that looks good also. So for Euro Aussie, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for it to retrace upwards to hit on the retracement over here. Okay, the retracement in this area. Then, if there's a resistance building up to sell, forming up a selling candle, then I will start selling for Euro Aussie. Okay, so I'm going to put Euro Aussie into my list. Okay, so yep, okay, Euro Aussie. Okay, right. Okay, Euro Aussie. Okay, so how about EURCAD? EURCAD, yes, we also have a selling signal over here, but this is a retesting, a retest. Okay, so that means to say now over here, the retesting, it has went down, going up, trying to go into the bull, but retest again, feared with a lower resistance, retesting a lower price here. So over here, we are on the support. Let's look out for the support level. Okay, we are still on the same support here. All right. So the resistance level, there's no change. Okay, there's no change of the resistance level from since yesterday. We are hovering around this area. Okay, so for EURCAD, without saying, we know we must break the support. Okay, EURCAD must break the support. Then form a new resistance below the support. Then we can sell. Okay, in this area. All right. Okay, in this area. Okay, so next to go. EUROPOUND, I'm going to give it a miss again. All right. So, but today looks like there's a chance to sell. Okay, there's a chance to sell. However, we only have about 18 pips, 18 pips that you're going to hit on the support. Okay, right. So, not advisable. Just skip this. Okay, I'm going to skip this. All right. So, Euro Yen, Euro Yen. Euro Pound, I'm going to skip. Yes, I'm going to skip. Okay. All right. Okay. So, Euro Yen. Euro Yen is in the bull, all right, but today it's going to have a retracement. So very likely looks like the retracement is going to the retracement over here. And by looking at this retracement, so there's a little resistance here that become a support. Yeah. Okay. No, this is the, let's see. Okay, let's check. The resistance is the same area. Okay, resistance will be here. If you can see a pink arrow here. This is the resistance, and now it has already started to sell. Okay, it has started to sell down. All right, so over here, do we have a chance to sell today before it hits on the support level? Tentatively, okay, tentatively, the support level is still here. It's quite a big space before it will retrace for a higher high. However, this is a retracement trading. Okay, want to take a risk? If you want to, okay, I will prefer to sell. Okay, but the support will be at 130.207. 130.207. All right. So yeah, so this is very likely one of it. All right. So but I'm not going to put Euro Yen into my list, okay, because it's a retracement trading. So probably it may not be easy to trade as well. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, then Euro Kiwi, right? Euro Kiwi, yes. After the selling, retrace upwards, but it hits on the resistance and it's not breaking. There's a strong rejections, and now the retracement ended to come back into the transition. However, we are on the support. We are on the support. So what's next? Okay, break the support. Okay, break the support over here. Then with a new resistance below, okay, then we will start selling. And this selling will have a very good space. Okay, we have a very good space, about 40 pips, to sell. So I'm going to wait for it to break the support. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, so now euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. All right, euro dollar. Today the retracement. Okay, so yesterday euro dollar was having a recreation of the selling for today. Well, it looks good today. It looks like we are going to have another lower resistance here and a lower resistance over here. Yes, that looks good because the resistance over here, it has been tested and it's not break. So I think it looks pretty good. Now it's showing us the retracement is ending soon. It's ending soon. Okay. So this euro dollar is ending soon. Ending soon. That means to say probably it will still have a chance to break the resistance here. Okay. So for seller, if I want to sell, okay, I want to make sure my aqua line cuts below the white line over here. All right. Then I will start selling. Okay. So very likely there's a support here. Okay. A support over here. Okay. Let's break the support here. If you break the support here, okay, then we will have a chance to go back and retest the support over here. Okay, so we have a very good space of 35 pips. Okay, that will have a very good space of 35 pips. Okay, so euro dollar must break the support. It's a must. Okay, euro dollar. If you are talking about if you're talking about testing the resistance and it's not breaking, can I start to sell in this range? Okay, can I sell in this range? I will say no. Okay, no, because it's very tight. Okay, so be patient. Okay, break the support over here in this level. Okay, then we start selling. Okay, all right. If not, no way to sell. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move again to pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, again, we have a good one, a resistance below here, and coming to selling back to the retesting of the support over here. Well, looks good, but this is day. So let's look at the H4. What did H4 tell? What is H4 telling us? Okay, H4 over here. H4 is telling us the retracement has ended from the selling to the buying, trying to be a bull, but feared and come back for selling. Okay, now it's coming back for selling. All right, so now it's coming back for selling. Will there be any chance that we are going to sell? Okay, so let's plot out. Let's see why does the price actually stop here? There must be a reason. Okay, okay, so very likely we may see support somewhere nearby here. Okay, so resistance remains the same. Okay, so H1, yeah, okay, can you see there's a support over here? Yes, over here, the support. Good. So this is a very typical one. Okay, support is here and come over here. Can you see it has tested? Then it tests again, but failed. Correct. So for pound Aussie, I'm going to wait for it to break the support. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to break the support over here, this level. Okay, once it breaks the support, when there's a new resistance below the support, and this will become a support, become a resistance, and then I will start selling from here. Okay, so pound Aussie, yes, you have a good chance to sell. Okay, but over here, by looking at this, 1 2, okay, 1 2 1 2, all right, so let's see resistance. I saw a resistance over here. There's a resistance, a little V shape here. Okay, there's a resistance over here in the middle. Okay, in the middle of the wave. Then the resistance actually become a support, which has been tested once, and over here tested and break. So this part here, it will become a support, become resistance. So now let's check H1. So H1, okay. So we can see that the resistance over here, there's a resistance right here. Okay, so being tested, and now this is the resistance over here. So if I want to sell, this is in the middle of nowhere, huh? Okay, in the middle of nowhere. So we cannot enter any trade over here. Okay, so let's be patient at the current price. Now the current price, no entry of any sell order for current price. For buying also no. Okay, so over here, what we are going to do is that we have to wait. Either way, the one way, wait for it to go up. Okay, break the resistance, form a new support above the resistance. Okay, then we will buy. Okay, this will be a chance that the buying is there, but it will not go very far. Okay, but for pound Aussie, it's good to sell. All right, good to sell. So you also have two ways. One way, you will go up, test the resistance. When it's not breaking, you have a chance to sell for almost 50 pips. Okay, so alternatively, when it breaks the support, with a new resistance below, okay, because this will become support, become resistant, then it will have a good chance to sell for about, wow, that's a very big one. Any part of it is about 30 pips and above. Okay, that's good. All right, so pound Aussie. All right, that's for pound Aussie. So pound Aussie, I will still go for selling when it hits on the resistance, or to come back and break the support. In the middle of nowhere, it's not easy to sell. Okay, like now. Okay, so I will stay put. Okay, so I hope all of you will stay put as well. All right, do not sell now. Okay, now you cannot sell, huh? Okay, all right. So pound CAD, as for pound CAD, so now looking at pound CAD, we are actually experiencing a support over here, right down here. Okay, so retested yesterday, but it doesn't break and it still continue for the buy. So over here, like looking over here, can I continue the selling if there's a chance to sell for pound CAD? I would say probably yes, you may have a, okay, you may have a chance. However, it's a retracement trading over here. It's a up to here, you have a pips, so buyer can buy, okay, but seller do not touch. Okay, seller do not touch, especially this is still in the retracement trading. When it comes to a point where it's going to test the resistance, your aqua line is already above the white line. That means the chart shows that the market trader has already supported the price, so it is not good to sell. So it is still the candle is, can you see the candle are still, the prices are still above the aqua line. That means to say we are still experiencing pound CAD respecting the support. Okay, so now this is not good to sell at this moment. All right. Okay, so pound CAD, I'm not going to put this into my list. Okay. Well, pound franc. How about pound franc? Right, pound franc. Pound franc, I think pound franc is quite obvious. Now it's still hitting on the support and now going for a bullish run. So bullish run, yes, I think it's quite good to have this bullish run. As you can see, the previous support over here has been tested and not breaking. Okay, and now over here it keep on buying. So right here there will be a chance for resistance. Okay, a chance of a resistance over here. Let's see. Okay, H1. So the resistance is also quite near. So probably if you want, you can wait for the price to break the resistance and forming a red and green candle, a buying signal, a support above this resistance level, then you can continue to buy, because by then it will become a support. Okay, so you are entering a buy order in at the support area, so that is a good trigger to enter for a trade. Okay, all right, so pound yen, let's take a look at pound yen. All right, I would like to say pound yen tentatively is showing, and I would like to congrats pound that is working very hard to go back to the price area of the Brexit. Okay, if you still remember during 2016, okay, the Brexit. All right, so the price in Brexit about June or July, June, I think, yeah. Okay, so now pound yen has actually went back, recover back from all this while, have been recovering, all the way to the basic price. So it looks strong. Okay, now it is looking strong. So they are still struggling to break this amount. Okay, to break this price. So tentatively, by looking at this, buyers, you should have a chance, but seller, we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, so that's for pound yen. Let's move into pound kiwi. Pound kiwi. Okay, pound kiwi over here. Pound kiwi, we have been selling, and happily selling until the retracement comes. It hits on the resistance and rejected, correct? 2 days ago. And now, over here. So is this a correct support where we are looking at? Okay, so now, right now, okay, let's see. H4. Yeah, H4, as you can see, the support level touches the moves over here, tested, but not breaking. Okay, so this is the support level, correct? This is the support level. So in pound kiwi, by looking at this, if I want to sell, okay, there's only one way that I will want to go. That very one way is to break the support level. Okay, I want to break the support level. Okay, so the resistance is actually coming down here. Okay, to be exact, let me check. Yes, correct. Okay, so if it's going up to test the resistance, then it start to come down within this area of 40 pips. If you want to grab some, okay, yes you can, but only when it's tested, only when the resistance has been tested. If you're going to enter a trade right now, I will say no. This is not good. Okay, this is no good, huh? Okay, for me, if you're asking me right now, how do I see pound kiwi? I will be looking at breaking the support level below, then I will start selling. Okay, if not, I will not sell. Okay, all right. Unless it hits the resistance level. Okay, unless it hits the resistance level, huh? Pound kiwi. Okay, but hitting on the resistance level, okay, it's also a sign that there are many traders wanted to test and go for a buy. Would it be good to sell at the resistance level? I would say it is good, but I think have a scalp. Okay, have a scalp of it, 5-10 pips. Okay, get and go. All right. Okay, so pound kiwi, okay, still manageable that we can pay attention to. All right, so let's move. Okay, next, how about pound dollar? Pound dollar, pound dollar. I guess over here we are in the bear, and now hitting on the support is retracing upwards. Correct? Okay, so over here it is experiencing it's meeting up with the previous support. Okay, the previous support coming in as a resistance. Okay, so by looking at this, yes, this is the resistance. Okay, so this is quite good, huh? Okay, so the retracement is going to end very soon. So over here, pound dollar, if we are going to sell off from the resistance level here, we are in the retracement trading. As we can see, aqua is above the white line. We are still being supported by the traders. So traders are still trying to break the resistance over here. So for sellers, okay, who want to sell at this point, okay, I would say very unlikely you can have a good TP. But if you are entering in a very good point, a scalp will be good. Okay, a scalp will be good. So because by looking at this today, it still seems very bullish from yesterday until now. Okay, it is still pushing very hard. Okay, so I guess this one, I think for general, I think for retracement trading, I will just put it aside first for pound dollar. Okay, because the pound and also the dollar. So I'm not very sure whether the Biden and the Johnson is going to work on something. All right. So just be safe. All right. So we'll just skip the pound dollar first today. All right. Okay. So dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. So dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD. Haha. We have been tested for this bear zone. And yesterday, yesterday it has started to slip. Okay, this has been slipped over wow, almost 80 pips. Okay, so let's see. Okay, where is the support level? Okay, now we have a support level here. Okay, and do we have any resistance level in this? Okay, so let me get a line in. Okay, now let's look carefully because H4 is a general strength. Okay, I will want to see how it goes, and now it's actually showing me there's a support that become a resistance. The support, okay, there's a support area. The resistance now tested become a support. Now support breaks, correct? Okay, so now the previous resistance has become a support when it's tested, become a support up, retested, and breaks. Okay, so this is two-way high for us, correct? Okay, so there's only one way that I will say that for dollar CAD, okay, we have to break the support. Okay, we have to break the support. We got to break the support here. Okay, so in H1, it's quite low. Okay, let me use H4. Okay, anyway, they are standing on the same price, 1.26681. All right, so this part here, I wanted to break the support level to form a new resistance that become a support that become a resistance in H1, then we will start selling. Okay, so dollar CAD looks good. Okay, dollar CAD looks good. I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, how about dollar franc? How about dollar franc? Dollar franc, let's look at the chart here. We are way above the expectation of the bear. So now, by looking at this, we are still in the retracement yet. From the bull to the bear, not yet to see is a good one because I still see a higher support. It's not breaking yet. I will say that this is not easy. Okay, so dollar franc, I'm going to give it a miss. Buyers, you can take note. Okay, buyers can take note, but no for sellers. Okay, all right. So dollar yen now barely exceed expectation, and there's a rejections up there. So we are still waiting for the rejections to come in and get out of our transition and into our bear market. So let's wait for a little while. I guess this dollar yen may not be as good as we want to see today. All right. Okay. So no for all this. Okay. And let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin. Yes. Yesterday we have a good buying. Okay. And today, is it going anywhere? I would say now, looking at this, it should hovering about 38, okay, to about 41. All right, 38 to 41. Okay, so tentatively for this Bitcoin in the crypto, okay, I see that this is still going to test the 38. Okay, 38,000. Okay, so probably, yeah, find a very good place. Okay, and probably we will have a good chance to test on the 38. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, that's all for today. Let's see what do we have. Okay, and well. Okay, we have all this. All right, we have Euro Aussie, EURCAD, Euro Dollar. Okay, and Pound Aussie. All right, and also Pound Kiwi. Okay, and also Dollar CAD. Okay, Dollar CAD. Well, and I would say that tentatively, by looking at all this, okay, please be very sure you must enter a selling trade in the resistance. Okay, if you are going to buy, always enter at the support. All right. Okay. So yeah, that is what I'm going to focus for selling today. Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Euro Dollar, Pound Aussie, Pound Kiwi, and Dollar CAD. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I'm coming to the end of this session, all right? And over here, okay, I'm going to see because I'm going to tell you the second half of today. The second half of today, I guess it will be quite a good trading opportunity. All right. Although we have some high impact news about regarding to the pound, okay, but looking at the market currently in these 4 hours, okay, I will say that it can be quite boring, but the fluctuation may come, okay, for GMT plus 8 people in Asia, right, roughly during the dinner time, which is 5 and 6 o'clock, okay, in the evening. All right. So, well, okay, by then I should be, no. Okay, so by then you should be ready for this, I think GMT plus 8 o'clock. Okay, there will be MPC, okay, MPC and also MPS, okay, official bank rate for pound. All right. And also dollar, we also have some unemployment claims. Okay, we also have Philly Fed. Okay, unemployment claims. This is something I would say that it will give a push, but it will not have a very volatile impact. Okay, so all of you can still continue, okay, to trade, okay, and the second half of the day. Okay, but only the pound side. Okay, just be very careful. Okay, all right, for 8:30 for Hong Kong time, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Beijing, okay, and all this area, this timing, okay, just barely stand aside and watch how it moves first, okay, before you take action. It will be good at the next 4 hours, which is 9 p.m. 21:00, okay, for GMT plus 8. That will be after that. I think that will be a good chance, a lot of good chance to trade. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is my just because I look at the market today, the whole market is quite flat. It looks like they are waiting for something to happen. Okay, they are waiting for something to happen. Okay, all right. So that's all for today, and I shall wish all of you good luck in your trading as well as must obtain bountiful of profit. Okay. Okay, so I guess this should be good, huh? All right. So guys, thank you for attending this session live with me over here. I'm doing this live session for myself as well. So I hope it helps you. Remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also ring up the bell so that you can get my latest update. All right. So this week I'm going to prepare one of my journal to share with all of you. Oh, that's nice, regarding high impact news. All right. Okay, so I shall see you again. All right. Thank you, Joey. Thank you so much. Okay, so I will maintain. I will keep my throat well. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you again tomorrow. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. See you.